The halogens are the elements in group 7 of the periodic table. They are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. In this lesson, we will learn about the halogens and their key reaction, the displacement reaction, reaction with metals, and reaction with hydrogen. Halogens, in their elemental form, are toxic too. Their compounds have many real-life applications. The halogens have 7 electrons in their valence shell and can accept 1 electron to form an ion with a -1 charge. Moving down the group, atomic radii increase by 1 electron shell.
As a consequence, melting points and boiling points and their density also increase. To illustrate this, fluorine and chlorine are bases. Bromine is a liquid, iodine and astatine are solid. Fluorine is a very pale green gas. Chlorine is a greenish yellow gas. Bromine is a reddish brown liquid. Iodine is a gray solid that sublimes to a copper purple. Astatine is the black solid and radioactive. Moving down the reactivity of the halogens decreases, so its selected halogen is always more reactive than the halogens below it. A more reactive halogen will always displace a less reactive halogen in a compound. We will demonstrate this displacement reaction using aqueous solution of potassium chloride, potassium bromide, and potassium iodide. Note that they are all halogens containing compounds.
When we add chlorine water to an aqueous solution of potassium chloride, no reaction happens, since chlorine is more reactive than bromine. Chlorine will displace bromine in potassium bromide, producing potassium chloride and liberating bromine. The resulting solution is reddish brown due to the presence of bromine. A similar observation occurs when chlorine water is added to an aqueous solution of potassium iodide, since chlorine is more reactive than iodine. A displacement reaction will occur to liberate iodine according to the reaction below. A dark brown solution is produced due to the presence of iodine.
Reaction with metal. Halogen can react with certain metal to form metal halide, a very common metal. Clad is sodium chloride or regular stable salt sodium chloride.
In summary, the halogens are the group 7 elements. Their displacement reactions involve a more reactive halogen displacing a less reactive halogen in a compound. Halogen can also react with metals to produce the corresponding metal halide and can react with hydrogen to produce hydrogen halides.